Welcome to the Auxwall software tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to create a purchase invoice in the Auxwall Gym Management Application. Why choose a purchase invoice? Using a purchase invoice is essential for several reasons. Accurate record keeping. Purchase invoices help you maintain precise records of all purchases. This ensures effective expense management and provides valuable insights into your business's financial health. Clear documentation. Purchase invoices clearly document each transaction, facilitating better financial analysis and reporting. This clarity makes it easier to understand your expenditure. Enhanced cash flow management. By utilizing purchase invoices, you can improve cash flow management, ensuring timely payments to suppliers and better financial planning. Let's get started with the tutorial. First, press the Account tab button from the dashboard. Then click the Vouchers tab. Next, click the Purchase Invoice tab. Here, any existing records will be displayed, including supplier names, invoice numbers, amounts. You can filter the purchase data by date by selecting the date here. You can sort the invoices by clicking the up and down arrow buttons in the table header to arrange them in ascending or descending order. You can search for a specific supplier or invoice number to retrieve the desired invoice. A filter option is also available for more precise searching. You will see two buttons on the top right side, Export button and a Create New button. By clicking the Export button, you will see two options. 1. Excel. This option allows you to export the data to an Excel file. PDF. This option enables you to export the data to a PDF file. To generate a new purchase invoice, simply click the Create New button. Here, you can create either an item invoice or a non-item invoice. Let's start with the item invoice. An item invoice is used for transactions involving specific goods or products that need to be tracked in inventory. Purpose: manages stock levels by adjusting quantities after each purchase. Provides detailed information about each item purchased, including descriptions, quantities, and unit prices. Use case: ideal for gyms that purchase physical products, such as gym equipment, water, gloves, or supplies, helping in managing inventory accurately and tracking expenses effectively. Next, let's move on to the non-item invoice. A non-item invoice is used for services rendered or transactions that do not involve specific items. Purpose: captures charges for services, such as maintenance or consulting fees. Simplifies the invoicing process when tracking physical inventory is not necessary. Use case: for utility providers, it streamlines billing for services like cleaning, bank, or electricity charges, etc., eliminating the complexities of inventory management and allowing you to focus on efficient service delivery. Let's get back to the tutorial. Enter the reference number. Here, I'm creating an item invoice, so I'm checking the box. Now you can see an account selection box. Please select the appropriate ledger account. To create a new ledger account under Expense, go to the Accounts tab in the dashboard. Then click the Chart of Accounts tab. Click Profit and Loss account, and then click Expense. Click on Purchase Accounts, and you will see all the accounts under Purchase Accounts. To create a new ledger account, click the plus button. This will open a window where you can enter the account name. Once you've done that, please click the Save button. Next, choose a supplier from the drop-down menu. If you need to create a new supplier, enter the supplier name in the selection box, and then a Create option will appear. Click on it, and a pop-up form will prompt you to enter the company name, contact number, email, tax registration number, location, post office box, Emirates, country, contact person, and mobile number. After filling the details, please click the Save button. The newly created supplier will then be listed in the selection box. Next, choose the date for the purchase invoice. Select the item from the drop-down menu. For adding a new item or inventory and any related information, please refer to the tutorial on creating stock. Enter the quantity and unit price. The total will be calculated based on the quantity and unit price. To add multiple items, you can click the row button to create an additional row. You can also delete a row by clicking the delete button. Enter any applicable discount here, and the subtotal will be calculated by deducting the discount from the total amount. Next, select the applicable tax. For information on adding a new tax or related details, please watch the tutorial on adding tax. The grand total will be calculated as the sum of the VAT amount and the subtotal. You can add any descriptions in the description box if needed. Once you've completed the form, please click the Save button. To update a purchase entry, double-click on the row to modify the necessary information. This window will display the previous details, and you can modify them as required. You can save the modification by clicking the Save button. At the top right corner, you'll see 3 options. Click the button to generate a new payment voucher against the invoice. You'll see the amount and other details related to the invoice here. For further guidance on creating a payment voucher, you can watch the Create Payment Voucher tutorial. The next option is for PDF generation. You can export to PDF by clicking the button. The other option is the Delete feature, allowing you to delete the invoice by clicking the Delete button. Thank you for completing this tutorial. If you have any questions or need additional assistance, please feel free to contact us. We appreciate your use of the Auxwall Gym Management Application.